Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add normal cell borders in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel spreadsheet. Now you want to add normal cell border. At first, select the cell, click and drag on our mouse. Then go to the home menu. Select the borders drop down menu and choose the all border option. We can see here many border. You can add the left, right, top, bottom, etc. border. Now I am select all borders. Click the outside. We can see here added the border, but we not make sure the border is permanently added. Now we want to make sure the border is added. Go to the file menu, click the print option and check the preview. We can see here the preview and the border is added on normal. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.